Here I have OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. Like you can set it to record system sound, record microphone sound. You can change picture definition, you can change frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, and you can select the video coding format. So in order to start recording, just tap on this button once, continue, tap allow, then this kind of menu appears. From here you can also access its settings. No, you can only access sound settings here. So to start recording, just tap on the red button and recording is on. So as you can see, here you can see our front camera view. Here you can see screen touches, or I think you can't see because the screen is too bright. Oh, here you can see screen touches. So when you're done recording, just tap on this red button once, and after that you can find your recording in Photos, in the album called Video, and Screenshots. It will be in both albums. And from here you can send, favorite, edit, delete your recording, and perform other actions from this list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.